Hey guys, welcome to Gehistek. In today's video, I'm going to show that how can you make a banner same as GFX Mentor. So let's start. So firstly, I am going to select a grayish color, something like this, and fill it. After this, I can now have a new layer. I'm going to lower the opacity as well as the flow. Select white color and do adjustments according to your choice. So as you can see, I am done with background and it's time to get the text. Click T and add a text. Change the font to impact and size to 120 or 130. After this, type GFX Mentor in capital letters. When you are done, select GFX and fill sky blue and then select Mentor and fill white. After this, you may center a line and change the positioning. That's it. I hope you liked this short tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. See you soon in the very same tutorials.